Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into how to stop weight gain, burn body fat easily, and feel incredible. In this video, we'll explore various aspects of weight management, from the role of the scale to the importance of building lasting healthy habits. Let's dive right in. When it comes to tracking weight loss, the scale can be both a friend and a foe. Your weight can fluctuate due to various factors like water retention, muscle gain, and even the time of day. This is why it's essential not to rely solely on the scale as your indicator of success. Consider other metrics such as body measurements, how your clothes fit, and progress photos. Focusing too much on the numbers can lead to unnecessary stress and anxiety. Trusting the scale too much may cause you to overlook other important aspects of your health. To get a more accurate picture, try using a combination of methods. Pay attention to how you feel physically and mentally. Diversify your approach to tracking progress to get a comprehensive view of your health journey. Creating and maintaining healthy habits is key to long-term success in weight management. Identify small, manageable changes that you can implement into your daily routine. For example, start by incorporating more vegetables into your meals or taking a short walk after dinner. Consistency is crucial when building new habits. Focus on one habit at a time and give yourself enough time to adapt. Research shows that it takes about 21 days to form a new habit, so be patient with yourself. Use habit stacking by pairing a new habit with an existing one. Accountability can also play a significant role in maintaining healthy habits. Share your goals with friends or family members who can offer support and encouragement. Celebrate your small victories along the way. Remember, the goal is to create a lifestyle that supports your health and well-being. When it comes to fat loss, nutrition plays a pivotal role. It's not just about cutting calories, but about making smarter choices that fuel your body efficiently. Start by focusing on whole, unprocessed foods. These are packed with nutrients and are less likely to contain hidden sugars and unhealthy fats. These include fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. Incorporating a variety of these foods ensures you get a balanced intake of essential nutrients. Portion control is another crucial aspect of fat loss. It's easy to overeat even healthy foods if you're not mindful of your portions. Using smaller plates, measuring portions, and being mindful of serving sizes can help you stay on track. This practice can prevent you from consuming more calories than you need. Try to eat slowly and savor each bite, as this can help you recognize when you're full and prevent overeating. Eating mindfully can also enhance your overall dining experience. Hydration is often overlooked but is vital for fat loss. Water plays a key role in many bodily functions, including metabolism. Drinking enough water can help boost your metabolism, reduce hunger, and improve overall digestion. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. Pay attention to the quality of the calories you consume. Not all calories are created equal. Prioritize nutrient-rich foods that provide essential vitamins and minerals. These foods support your body's functions and help you feel more satisfied. Don't be too hard on yourself if you slip up. It's important to maintain a positive mindset. Occasional indulgences are a normal part of life. Allowing yourself a treat now and then can prevent feelings of deprivation. A balanced approach to nutrition allows for flexibility while still working towards your fat loss goals. Remember, consistency is key, and small sustainable changes can lead to long-term success. Staying motivated throughout your weight loss journey can be challenging, but there are strategies to keep your motivation high. Set clear, achievable goals that are specific and time-bound. Break down your larger goals into smaller, manageable steps. This makes the process less overwhelming and allows you to celebrate small victories along the way. Visualization can boost your motivation and keep you focused on your objectives. Imagine yourself achieving your goals and the positive impact it will have on your life. Keeping a journal to track your progress and reflect on your journey can be incredibly motivating. Write down your thoughts, feelings, and any obstacles you overcome. Find a source of inspiration such as a role model or a supportive community. Look for people who have achieved what you aspire to and learn from their experiences. Surround yourself with positive influences that encourage you to stay on track. Friends, family, or online communities can provide the support you need. On days when your motivation is low, rely on discipline and the habits you've built. Consistency is key, even when you don't feel like it. Sometimes just showing up and going through the motions is enough to keep you moving forward. Be kind to yourself and recognize that every effort counts. Weight loss is a journey with ups and downs. Embrace the process and learn from each experience. By maintaining a positive mindset and using these strategies, you can keep your motivation strong throughout your journey. Remember, every step forward is progress. Hitting a weight loss plateau can be frustrating, but it's a common part of the journey. Evaluate and adjust your approach. Review your current habits and identify any areas where you might have become complacent. Vary your exercise routine to challenge your body in new ways. Reassess your nutrition and ensure you're eating the right amount of calories for your current weight and activity level. Consider tweaking your macronutrient ratios, such as increasing protein intake. Stress and sleep can also impact your weight loss efforts. Prioritize stress management techniques and aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Stay patient and persistent. Plateaus are a normal part of the process and they can be overcome with time and effort. Consistency is key, and your hard work will eventually pay off. Counting calories can be a helpful tool for some people, but it's not necessary for everyone. It really depends on your personal goals and lifestyle. The main benefit of calorie counting is awareness. By tracking what you eat, you become more conscious of your food choices. It helps you understand how much you're eating and can highlight areas where you might be consuming more than you realize. This can be particularly useful for those looking to lose weight or manage a health condition. However, calorie counting can also be time-consuming and stressful for some individuals. The constant need to log every meal can become overwhelming. If you find that counting calories is causing more harm than good, it might be worth exploring alternative methods. There are other ways to maintain a healthy diet without the stress. Intuitive eating focuses on listening to your body's hunger and fullness cues, rather than strictly tracking calories. This approach encourages a healthier relationship with food. Another option is to focus on portion control and the quality of the foods you consume. This can be a simpler and less stressful way to manage your diet. Prioritize nutrient-dense foods and pay attention to serving sizes. This ensures you're getting the most nutrition out of your meals. The best approach is the one that works for you. Everyone's body and lifestyle are different, so it's important to find what fits your needs. The goal is to find a sustainable approach that supports your health and well-being. Whether it's counting calories or another method, choose what makes you feel your best. Longevity is about more than just living a long life. It's about living a healthy, fulfilling life. Building habits that promote longevity can enhance your overall well-being and quality of life. Regular physical activity helps with weight management and reduces the risk of chronic diseases. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats is crucial. Social connections improve mental health and increase life satisfaction. Stress management is key. Incorporate practices like meditation or yoga. Prioritize quality sleep, aiming for 7 to 9 hours per night. By incorporating these habits into your lifestyle, you can enhance your health, increase your chances of living a long, fulfilling life. Certain nutrition principles are non-negotiable for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Prioritize whole, unprocessed foods. These foods are packed with essential nutrients and free from added sugars, unhealthy fats, and artificial additives. Staying hydrated is vital for numerous bodily functions. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. Incorporate a variety of fruits and vegetables into your diet. Healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, and olive oil are important. Limit your intake of added sugars and refined carbohydrates. By adhering to these nutrition non-negotiables, you can support your health and well-being in the long term. Incorporating a variety of nutritious foods into your diet can make healthy eating enjoyable and sustainable. Green tea is an antioxidant-rich beverage that can boost metabolism and improve brain function. Tree nuts provide healthy fats, protein, and fiber. Dark chocolate, in moderation, is rich in antioxidants and can improve heart health. Tomatoes are packed with vitamins and the antioxidant lycopene. Salmon is a fantastic source of omega-3 fatty acids and high-quality protein. These nutrients support heart health, brain function, and overall well-being. Enjoy a cup of green tea daily, snack on a handful of nuts or add them to salads and yogurt. Aim to include salmon or other fatty fish in your diet at least twice a week. Scientific research provides valuable insights into effective weight management strategies. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins is associated with long-term weight loss. Regular physical activity is crucial for weight maintenance. Adequate sleep is essential for overall health and weight management. Chronic stress can lead to weight gain. Stress-reducing practices can help. Mindful eating practices are associated with improved weight management. This highlights the importance of developing a healthy relationship with food. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on living a healthier life. We've covered a lot of ground today, from understanding the role of the scale to building sustainable healthy habits and optimizing your nutrition. Implementing these strategies may take time and effort, but the rewards are well worth it. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.